Hi, parents and educators. Download the object picture, print, and laminate. The k, the mango, mango, picture a mango. Map, mop, monkey. There goes the a. Print out, laminate, apple, alligator, ambulance, print and laminate, toe, teeth, table, tiger, Next is cutting out the picture objects. Cut on the black lines, follow the black lines and cut the pictures. We're cutting out the cake and the car. Next, we will be cutting up the object words. We're cutting the ambulance, ambulance, followed by the alligator, alligator, then the objective of this activity is discussing these objects with the children while emphasizing the beginning sound. This helps the children build language and comprehension skills, which is essential for reading. Pick up the letter word and emphasize k, 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 car, k, k, car. Then pick up the object picture and discuss the object picture. Discuss with the child what a car is. Discuss other objects: monkey, alligator, ambulance, teeth, table. After discussing the objects, k, t, then we can start matching the objects and the pictures, emphasizing the beginning sound. K, 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 cake, k, 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 corn, k, 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 corn. Map. Mango. Mango. Picture object mango to match. After discussion, now we have all the matches.